Okay, where is the light? Oh. Okay. And I think we're good. So I have a little tip for you guys. If you stumble across any professionally taken photo of scenery, you'll notice that the water in those photos looks a little bit too smooth, a bit too pleasing to look at. And when you take that same photo on your phone, the water appears really jagged and, well, kind of ugly. But here's how to fix that. And the best thing about it is that you only need an iPhone 6s or later, and you can even do it on some recent models of the iPad. All right, let's go. Okay, so you've gotten to the place that you want to take your photo at. Cool. So now you're going to go to the top left and click this live icon. Okay, now you're going to put your phone on a still platform. Even your legs may work, or you could use a tripod. And now once you've got it all set, snap your photo. All right, now it's in your photo library, so click on it. Just admire the way that it looks, but not really, because the water is not still. Okay, so now you're going to go to this live button over here and click long exposure. And boom, your water now looks buttery smooth. And there you go. So yeah, I guess that's the end of this really short video. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment what you thought, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.